Are you looking for the best pressure washer hoses in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best pressure washer hoses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Greenworks 25-foot Universal Pressure Washer High Pressure Hose. The Greenworks 25-foot Universal Pressure Washer High Pressure Hose features quick connect 1/4 inch fittings, a durable sheath that's abrasion resistant, female fittings, and enough flexibility to wind around objects without kinking the hose. It also handles up to 2000 psi. What we don't love is that the manufacturer does not specify which pressure washers are compatible, but everyday users remark that it will fit with nearly every pressure washer that runs under 2000 psi. The manufacturers have designed this hose to be compatible with all Greenworks pressure washers, except one model. You may also be interested in some of the best leaf blowers from our list, so check them out. Up next in the 4th place is the Tool Daily High Pressure Washer Hose. The Tool Daily High Pressure Washer Hose is an excellent option at a budget price. It fits most electric and gas pressure washers, including Ryobi, Karcher, Honda, Troy-Bilt, Simpson, Generac, Flexzilla, Craftsman, Greenworks, Briggs & Stratton, Sunjo, DeWalt, and more. Both ends feature a 1/4 inch female attachment point, but the hose comes with an adapter to convert one end to a male fitting. The hose is durable, kink resistant, and abrasion resistant. It can handle up to 3600 psi and hot water up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. At 50 feet, this hose is perfect for the majority of projects you and your pressure washer will have to conquer. Everyday users were thrilled with its compatibility, its durability, and the water pressure. For a value price, this pressure washer hose can handle anything you throw at it. For more useful products for your lawn and garden, check out our guide to the best rain barrels. The 3rd product on our list is the Simpson Cleaning Monster Cold Water Pressure Washer Hose. We have an excellent choice for projects that need a sturdy hose with enough length to reach those obscure nooks and crannies. The Simpson Cleaning Monster Cold Water Hose can handle up to 4500 psi, which helps with high pressure along with a long extension. This hose is made with dual braided technology and a polyurethane outer jacket, which is not only highly abrasion resistant, but doesn't leave marks behind like a rubber hose will. It's also very pliable for easy use around corners and over obstacles. The Simpson Cleaning Monster Cold Water Hose is, you guessed it, designed to be used with cold water, but can handle water up to 140 degrees F. It also has quick connect fittings for easy setup. One end has a 3/8 inch male quick connect plug and a 3/8 inch female quick connect socket. This hose has a translucent polyurethane outer jacket and fits most gas pressure washers with standard quick connections. Our biggest complaint with this hose is its weight at 22 pounds. It's no flyweight. However, we are happy to trade weight for a job well done. Second on our list is the YAMATIC 3200 psi kink resistant high pressure washer hose. Another good option is the YAMATIC kink resistant 3200 psi 1/4 50 feet high pressure washer hose. This YAMATIC pressure hose fits most brands of power washers, including Craftsman, Honda, B&S, Generac, Ryobi, Powerstroke, Simpson, and DeWalt. It's good to note that you will need an adapter for Sunjo, Homdox, and R Blue electric pressure washers. This model is a durable pressure washer hose replacement capable of up to 3200 psi and designed to last for thousands of projects. The connection ends are 1/4 inch, which should fit most pressure washers. As the name suggests, this pressure washer hose was designed to be kink resistant, making this hose easy to use, carry, roll, and store. It's also made with non-marking materials, so your concrete, driveway, and decks will stay clean. A manufacturer's tip: roll the hose all the way out on your first use, and rolling it up will be much easier. What we love about this pressure washer hose is that it's constructed from recycled material, making this an environmentally friendly pressure washer hose. YAMATIC also offers a 1-year limited warranty just in case. For more quality products like this, check out these top garden hose wands. Finally, the top product on our list is the Twinkle Star 1/4 inch 3000 psi 50 feet pressure washer hose. The Twinkle Star 1/4 inch pressure washer hose is our best choice pick because of its compatibility with so many pressure washers. Both connections measure 1/4 inch in diameter and are M22 metric female fittings. This hose works up to 3000 psi, which is compatible with a lot of higher powered pressure washers. This pressure washer hose comes in 25 feet and 50 feet extensions, which is great for every size project your pressure washer needs to tackle. Plus, the Twinkle Star offers a 12-month product warranty, just in case of any mishaps. Real-life reviewers say that this hose works well, albeit they run on the less flexible side. You may need an adapter to fit some pressure washers, so make sure to check the attachment point on your pressure washer before purchasing. This hose is also compatible with foam cannons, which is helpful for a variety of projects. If you need a hose for watering your lawn, check out our list of the best garden hoses on the market. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.